Join me as I challenge myself to create my very own Mithila painting from scratch and see if I can capture its magic. Mithila painting is a traditional Indian art form that's been around for centuries. It's known for its vibrant colors, intricate designs, and rich cultural heritage. This ancient art form originated in the Mithila region of Bihar, India, and has been a significant part of Indian culture, often used in various ceremonies and celebrations. The challenges faced by Mithila artists today are numerous. With modernization taking over, many young artists are shifting towards digital art, leaving behind the traditional techniques of Mithila painting. The struggle to keep this art form alive is real, and it's heartbreaking to see many talented artists struggling to make a living from their craft. The lack of recognition and financial support makes it even harder for them to preserve this beautiful art form. As a result, many artists are forced to adapt to new styles, which can sometimes compromise the authenticity of the art. Mithila painting has a rich history, dating back to the ancient times of the Ramayana. The art form is characterized by its unique themes, which often depict everyday life, nature, and Hindu mythology. The techniques used are quite distinctive, with artists using natural dyes, pigments, and even their fingers to create these intricate designs. There are various styles of Mithila painting, each with its own story to tell. Some of the most popular styles include the Bhagalpur and the Madhubani styles, which are known for their bold colors and geometric patterns. One artist who has made a significant impact on Mithila painting is Sita Devi. She was a renowned artist who gained international recognition for her work and helped popularize Mithila painting globally. Her story is truly inspiring, and it's amazing to see how she overcame numerous challenges to keep this art form alive. Her artwork continues to inspire many young artists today, and her legacy lives on through the countless artists she has mentored. The impact of her work can still be felt, and it's a testament to the resilience of Mithila painting. In summary, Mithila painting is an incredible art form that deserves our appreciation and support. Its beauty, cultural heritage, and significance make it a treasure that we must preserve for future generations. It's essential that we recognize the challenges faced by Mithila artists and support them in their efforts to keep this art form alive. If you're interested in learning more about traditional Indian art forms, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Mithila painting in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on Wali painting, another fascinating traditional Indian art form that's definitely worth exploring.